Alright, so now we are hiking to the Pagoda. We have been here 2 times already. And 3 of our friends.
So can you imagine last time we went here? There was no water. It was dry. You don't think so? It was like this. I was here.
It's okay, we have been walking.
I was here with dry. With everything.
Guys,
No water at all. No water. Wow. What do you want?
no, I'm just telling the bike coming. It's the 3rd time trekking. How do you feel like?
For me, it's the 5th time.
The 5th time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do I look fat?
No. The fat is hiding in the t-shirt.
Look.
Oh, something special. Stucking on the electric line. Do you see? Oh. No,
Yeah,
it's
the water
the water from the mountain.
In the forest, we usually have very good. Well, I never tried it.
Another before.
Yeah,
That's
this is the
good.
same one. I think I feel was like. Well, this one they like bright colors. This one.
Black and blue. The another one they have white. And here's the lake come back from last time. It was so dry, and now the water is more, and it look more beautiful, isn't it?
No,
Like,
it isn't.
it isn't.
Last year it was more beautiful.
Really? Oh
When
yeah.
we went again.
Because they cut some trees for the plant, and yeah, this is the first part of the hiking. We will have more part. How was it?
Okay.
How was it, Stas? How do you feel?
You know my name?
Oh, what's your name?
You already said it.
Oh really? I just said it randomly.
Nah, you ruined it.
Yeah,
Then we give it another corner.
right.
That's fine.
Hello guys.
No, they like to practice fire or something for the.
No, they give the sign for not burn, not make fire.
That's a young fire type of thing. No, they isolate like a bat. Like a tree, so they're gonna run anyways. And then it's like fire just in the house. How are you gonna train young like firefighters? Yeah, seriously. Like maybe both of them.
Okay, everyone. Hello.
Hi, Sean and Fee.
Hello.
This is a beautiful day here, as you can see.
Yeah.
Very sunny, and we are in this Quangthic Phagoda here. We're having fun, and yeah, we hope you can join us next time here. Yeah. What do you
Sure,
think?
it would be fun.
So show the waterfall, Maya.
Okay.
The other side.
Yeah. Let me show this sign first.
We are at the very start of the trip, but
Yeah, this is
it's
the
really
beginning.
Kind of cool here. Yeah.
Okay, let's see the next one.
And we're filming with the new GoPro, by the way.
The new GoPro.
That's an old one.
Well, it's new. It's new.
I mean, there's a newer version.
New version, yes.
This is just the beginning.
This is just beginning, and we will have another waterfall, and it's even more beautiful
Yeah,
than
we'll
this.
show you again. Really?
Yeah.
See you. So this is the, what do you call the gate? This kind of gate? Huh? Home. C-O-M-T. Home gate. Beautiful.
That's waterfall.
This is our second checkpoint, so to speak, yeah?
Yeah.
Look, that's a butterfly. Butterfly
Big
drinking
guy
water.
with-
It's butterflies drinking.
They're drinking water, right?
Beautiful. Awesome. Now is your time to put any
That's
part
so
of your body.
exciting. Be careful, please.
Hold.
Stars, be careful.
There's a tube, so
Someone's
Yeah. Someone choose? Oh. And it's also the meat. The part of the meat.
no, that's not.
Ah, the pomelo. is a second part of the waterfall.
It's too much grass. Look at that.
Yeah, that is the thing.
What is that? That's a shoe. That's a shoe, guys.
It's beautiful, but it's the way
Do you want a photo?
here.
Do you want a photo there? Why don't they clean it up? Come on.
What are you doing? Are you serious? I'm just going to catch the chicken for our lunch today. Make sure you can catch
Yeah,
it.
the best one.
Yes. You're going to go to the forest? Seriously?
Picture comes closer.
Oh, sorry, we don't have chicken for lunch today. Okay, this is the second.
Well, I never
They-
thought
they use the-
No, I mean, catch like this.
Well, they.
Jump by.
Well,
Never done it.
you can give the food and go slowly and catch them. And this is the second part. Here, if you don't want to walk up, you can take the cable car.
Yeah, that-
That's the cable car.
Buy
Yeah.
something.
You can buy some drinks, some snack here, and they even have. There's how many? Không cần ha. Đây here. Xin chào em. Oh, hey. Here's the way to take the cable car. And you have some waterfall. There it is. Here's the waterfall. And that's the cable car. Up to the top of the mountain.
You want him to cry.
Okay. All right. Let's go.
So this is, what is this again, Alex? This is a place where I ate 3x. And this is also, I wanted to buy cookies, but they were only 12. So I didn't buy them. But like, what is this place? This is Vietnam, Hatinh province. And like, where are we right now?
We're at the second part.
Nowhere. You have been here 5 times. I want you to introduce this place a little bit. I don't remember the name. Quangthic Phagoda. It's a mountain.
Quangthic
There's some pagodas.
Quangthic. So here's another waterfall.
Here I got the disease.
Yeah.
Skin disease. So don't touch water. This skin disease I had for 1 year. You know. Very serious.
Should we go?
I touched the water already, remember? Well, don't touch me then. No, mine. Go
Oh,
there.
we cannot go this way. Let's go this way. This is another waterfall. It's beautiful. Yeah, but I will not fall down. Like you will fall down. You. I like. Okay. Easy. Another step going up. Insects.
Okay.
Stas, since you keep looking for those insects, here it is.
Is it alive?
No, it's died.
Yeah,
It's dead. It's already dead.
Can you show?
Alex, stop. Many bitten.
Many bites.
Many bites. Don't scratch. Many.
So today don't work. I cancel all my lessons.
Because of the bite.
See, the thing is, you work for yourself. If I cancel my exams, you're just fine.
Yeah. Alex, a mosquito. Shh, shh.
No, I've been online.
What? Go, let's go. Cool, Alex. Okay, there we are. The view from the top of the pagoda. Now we'll go around. So they have the way to go up, right?
No, that's the only way.
Huh? That is the cable car station. It is? It is? Oh, it's for people.
That's the cable car, so but we have to go up. This is just on the way back. I don't know if it's operating.
Can check.
Last time it was working, right?
Yeah, it works.
Yeah, but these are the ones.
Hello. We'll go to check at the cable car. It's not operating. It's not operating, Alex. Yeah, it will operate once they have the client. Yeah. There's no people this day. Yeah, here we are in the... Oh, Alex, the cat.
Last time it was Sunday, right?
Your friend. He's so big now. The cat. He's so fat now.
I dream to have
Of having cat. Yeah, here's the place for them to play. There's Chocobo.
Stop. I think if the monk says offering, I will tell him, give me that one.
Okay. So,
You
We're here.
can donate money if you want. We can donate money for development of the church.
yeah. Oh, there's another one.
So I provide the big food. I think we should go this way, right?
Yeah, we should go this way. Alex, two gods.
I and me were Buddhists, so I know it's much more beautiful. Although I read something more.
Alright, Alright. We are at the top now. Beautiful flowers. Yeah. But this one is the most beautiful.
Japanese style,
Uh-huh.
realistic style.
Right. They have the way down there. Beautiful.
It's really beautiful. Wow. We're quite high.
Yeah, we are at the top. That is the lake. That is the city, rice field, mountain. Be careful, please.
Do you want to take the book?
Papaya, green papaya. I can cook that. And here's the. Okay, as your tour guide.
This is the beautiful pagoda that everything.
Okay, like,
Yeah, like a top.
yeah, that's
Top of it. And we could see the
We're at the top. We're at the top of the top now.
Okay, tell us about
The last
this.
place.
A few facts, please. Why Argentina? No, this is where we are right now.
Alex, tell him.
Because they fly how many flies? They sell eggs. That's all. They don't have tea. They don't sell yet. Good tea. Oh, the top. What tea? They have no tea. This is the top of the mountain.
Yeah, it's the top. That's it.
And then once we get down, we can see a little small
This is the top.
tower. We should
Pagoda. Let me start from the beginning.
Yeah, we saw it.
Yeah.
I know better at the top. There's that
We can go there to see the view. So this is the tallest Pagoda. What is he doing? He's going to climb somewhere. Okay, this is the highest.
Well, yeah, that's the view. Okay. I guess we can paraglide down. Yeah, would you like to? I mean, if we had a chance. No, I mean, like, theoretically, right? Cool. Okay, there's not much of it. I guess it's just the view.
Look at that view. Wow. Where's lake? Ah, there. There. Wow, that's amazing view. Guys, come here. It's amazing view.